Hey guys, Ariel Patrice here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome. So glad you're here. And if you're returning, thanks for staying. So today's look is going to be just a date night look. So when I like to go on dates, I like to wear pretty bold makeup. Sometimes if it's like during the day, I might wear like a neutral or very light makeup and I'll do another um, look like that maybe later in videos, but today it's a nighttime going out to dinner look. And so I want to have a kind of risque, darker lip look. And so that's what this is here. And so if you want to see this look, just continue to watch and we will go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, I know it looks like I'm going to bed right now with my bonnet on and my robe on, but we'll work with it. I gotta put the bonnet on to cover my hair before we get started. And I feel if I wear a robe, then I don't have to worry about getting makeup on my shirt like what happened in a video before this one. So I just washed all of my brushes because I'm going to be taking them with me to Vegas for this wedding for that bridesmaids look. So what I did is I just went to Walgreens and I just bought whole new brushes because I really don't want to get the ones that I'm used to dirty. And so let me show you what I bought real quick, and this is what I'm going to use in this look. So I got these Total Face brush set. Looks like that. I got this mini compact powder puffs eye makeup brush set. The Kabuki brush, blush brush, which I'll probably be using for highlight. And last but not least, I got these blending sponges, the mini version. Aren't those so cute? So I'm going to open those up real quick and then we'll go ahead and get started with the whole tutorial. Now I have all of the brushes open, and so to start with, I already wiped my face with a Neutrogena makeup remover wipe just to kind of clean my face up. And so I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Dewy, my Fit Me Dewy in the shade Coconut. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with that Kabuki brush. Just kidding, guys. I'm not going to do that first. Obviously, I have to start with primer, right? So I'm using a different primer today because this is a going out on a date sexy look. I decided to go ahead and use this Mineral Fusion Illuminating Primer, and it's with shimmering gold flecks, so it looks like this. And so basically this is going to give the look of kind of that nice shimmer bronzy kind of look undertone. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my fingers, a couple of dabs here and there. I'm going to go ahead and rub that all over my face. Now I'm going to go in with my Kabuki brush and the Fit Me Coconut shade. And right after I finish this application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this really small, isn't that just the cutest thing? So scrumptious. I'm going to grab that and I'm just going to go ahead and just dab it around my face a little bit to get the blend a little bit better. And next I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Morphe. This is my concealer. I'm going to go with my Morphe concealer. I'm going to go ahead and go under my eyes, forehead, a little bit on the nose, chin, and then we'll blend here in a second. And so now I'm going to grab this little sponge here and I'm going to blend with this. To set this concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use my Ben Nye Banana Powder. For contour, just a powder contour, I'm going to, I guess I'm going to attempt to use this brush. I know it's more of like a powder, well, it's a powder brush, but I don't know how it's going to work for contour, but we're going to attempt to use it. We'll see how it goes. And so for my contour, I'm going to use the Fit Me in the dark, loose powder. So we'll just go there. See how it goes. For eyes, we're going to use my Morphe palette, and this is the Stunning Vibes. And so I used this in the last video, but these are what the colors look like. And so we're going to keep this look. The eyes are going to be very gold. And so what I'm thinking is that I will use Swoon, which is right here. And then I will also use Swipe Right, which is here. I'll probably use Swipe Right on the inner and like top, and then I'll use Swoon on the outside. And if I do a third color, it might be French Kiss, which is this one, which will kind of hit in the middle. So we'll just kind of see how it goes. And so we'll use the eye brushes that I just bought for that. So we'll go ahead and go in with this brush right here. Now that we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and move into eyeliner. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and knock off all of this excess real quick. So I'll just go in with this brush that I'm probably going to use for my highlight too. So this one. And we'll just knock this excess off real quick. And now that I've wiped that off, I'm going to go back in with my contour brush and work through those so it doesn't look so like this. And now that's a little bit more subtle. And so now I'm going to go in with this brush right here from the face brush. And I'm going to contour my nose with that loose powder as well. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. So to start off with, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild black eyeliner. I'm going to hit this at the bottom. Hopefully y'all can still hear me. The air came on, so hopefully it's not too loud. And so after that, I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D eyeliner, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a regular eyeliner, no wing or anything like that. I'm just going to go ahead and go straight in. And then right after that, I'm going to go in with my big Lancome, I guess is what it is, mascara. Y'all know I can't ever say that, so. And this is going to go on the top lashes and the bottom. And I don't think I ever mentioned this before, but I like to wait until the top eyelashes are dry before I move on to the bottom, so I don't like look down and then it messes up my eye shadow. So I'm just going to wait here a second. Next, I'll go in with eyebrows, and I'll use my Aesthetica in the color black. And before I do that, I'm just going to kind of move my eyebrows with this little brush, this guy right here. I'm just going to kind of move my eyebrows in the way that they should be going before I start. Next is the highlight. So I'm going to use my Pure Bronze and Highlighter. And today I'm going to use the darker one. So that darker one right there. And I'm just going to go in with that brush that I blended with. And I'm going to hit my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose, but I'll use a different brush for that. So let's go ahead and hit the cheeks. Second to last thing is lips. And so for lips, I'm using the Revlon. And honestly, I have no clue what color this is. But it looks like this. And I'm going to use that for my lips. And that's showing up a lot brighter than it would in person on camera, it's showing up, sorry, shaking the screen, but that is showing up a lot brighter on camera than it is in person. And so I'll take pictures and I'll put them in at the end like always. But then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set my face. So I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist right now. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. If you did, go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for sticking around like always. If you want to see more looks, just go ahead and comment down what you want to see, and I'll try my best to get it to you. So again, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate all of y'all being here, and until next time, bye.